Welcome to our channel. Purpose of the video: one of the most exciting aspects of starting a YouTube channel is the potential to earn money right from the beginning. We'll show you how to maximize your earning potential and create a sustainable revenue stream from your content. From building a loyal audience to collaborating with brands and creating engaging content, the opportunities are limitless. Hey there friends, my name is Uriah. Have you ever seen anybody dripping with money, without a partner? Choosing your niche: when it comes to starting a YouTube channel, selecting the right niche is crucial for long-term success. Your niche should align with your interests, expertise, and audience demand to ensure that you can create engaging content that resonates with your viewers. Research popular niches, analyze potential audience size and competition. In addition to passion and demand, it's essential to analyze the potential audience size and competition within your chosen niche. Creating high-quality content: in the competitive world of YouTube, producing high-quality content is key to attracting and retaining viewers. Your content should be engaging, valuable, and tailored to resonate with your target audience. Plan your content strategy. A successful YouTube channel requires a well-thought-out content strategy that includes a mix of educational, entertaining, and informative videos. By diversifying your content and catering to different interests within your niche, you can appeal to a broader audience and keep viewers engaged. To enhance the overall quality of your videos, focus on storytelling, visuals, and editing. Engaging storytelling can captivate your audience and keep them invested in your content. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. By investing in quality equipment, planning a diverse content strategy, and focusing on storytelling, visuals, and editing, you can create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and sets your YouTube channel apart from the rest. Elevate your content to new heights and watch your channel thrive. Optimizing video SEO: to maximize the visibility of your YouTube videos and reach a wider audience, it's essential to optimize your content for search engines. By implementing effective SEO strategies, you can improve your search rankings and attract more viewers to your channel. Use relevant keywords: by incorporating these keywords strategically throughout your video metadata, you can increase the likelihood of your videos appearing in search results and reaching a targeted audience. Create compelling thumbnails and titles: encourage engagement. By incorporating relevant keywords, creating compelling thumbnails and titles, and encouraging engagement, you can optimize your videos for SEO and increase their visibility on YouTube. Implement these strategies consistently across your content to attract more viewers, grow your audience, and ultimately, drive the success of your channel. Monetizing your channel: turning your passion for creating content into a profitable venture is a dream for many aspiring YouTubers. Fortunately, there are various monetization strategies available to help you start earning money from your YouTube channel. One of the most common ways to monetize your YouTube channel is by enabling Google AdSense to display ads on your videos. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the higher your ad revenue potential. Collaborate with brands: another lucrative monetization strategy is collaborating with brands for sponsored content and product placements. Partnering with brands that align with your niche and audience can provide you with opportunities to create sponsored videos, integrate products into your content, and earn a fee for promoting their products or services. To further monetize your channel and cultivate a loyal fan base, consider offering merchandise, memberships, or exclusive content to your viewers. Experiment with these strategies, find what works best for your channel, and watch your revenue grow as you continue to create engaging and valuable content for your audience. It's great that you are joining us. Promoting your channel: building a successful YouTube channel goes beyond creating great content. It also involves actively promoting your videos and engaging with your audience to grow your subscriber base. By leveraging social media platforms, interacting with viewers, and collaborating with other creators, you can increase your channel's visibility and attract new subscribers. In this section, we'll explore effective strategies for promoting your channel and fostering a strong community of engaged viewers. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Share your videos on social media, create engaging posts, teasers, and behind-the-scenes content to entice your social media followers to check out your YouTube channel. It's good that you are still with us. Interact with your viewers. Engaging with your audience is key to building a loyal subscriber base and fostering a sense of community around your channel. By promoting your channel across social media platforms, engaging with your audience, and collaborating with other YouTubers, you can effectively grow your subscriber base and increase the visibility of your content. Congratulations on taking the first step towards starting your own YouTube channel and embarking on an exciting journey of content creation and monetization. Let's recap the essential strategies to help you build a thriving YouTube channel and achieve your goals. Embarking on an exciting journey of content creation and monetization. Let's recap the essential strategies to help you build a thriving YouTube channel and achieve your goals. Additionally, focusing on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience and optimizing it for SEO with relevant keywords, compelling thumbnails, and engaging titles will help you attract more viewers and increase your channel's visibility. We are almost finished. Hang in there. Monetization strategies to start earning. To monetize your channel and start earning money from your content, explore various strategies such as enabling Google AdSense for ad revenue, collaborating with brands for sponsored content, and offering merchandise, memberships, or exclusive content to your audience. Take action and support your channel's growth. As you embark on your YouTube journey, remember to encourage viewers to subscribe, like, share, and explore more of your content to support your channel's growth. Building a loyal subscriber base, engaging with your audience, and promoting your videos across social media platforms are key to expanding your reach and attracting new viewers. By fostering a strong community of engaged followers, you can create a thriving YouTube channel that resonates with your audience and drives success. Have you ever seen someone with lots of money, without a partner? We hope that you enjoyed this video. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training.